For years, Aldi Corporation has been looking to find new innovative technology to help engage more customers. While many people in the disabled community are independent, there are still countless seeking to find liberation in the simple tasks we do in everyday life. More than 253 million people worldwide are visually impaired, and for many, the task of grocery shopping is a lengthy and tedious process. My group and I proposed the idea that Aldi furthers their app technology to create an audio tour of each and every grocery store. This would not only help the visually impaired to be able to shop independently, but comfortably and smoothly. On the main featured page of Aldi USA, there'd be a new link created called Aldi Tours, holding an audio recording of the specific grocery near you. Once clicked on, the audio recording would be able to guide the user throughout the grocery store to find all necessities needed. This would not only improve Aldi's diversity in the disabled community, but increase engagement from customers everywhere.
Some of the main reasons for why we believe that developing an app to help the visually impaired is such a good idea is because Aldi's business processes are constructed around three core values: simplicity, constructivity, and responsibility. In order to keep things very efficient and easily accessible for their customers, they focus on keeping their stores and their apps simple for all to use. With that being said, our proposal helps strengthen Aldi's business process by allowing visually impaired customers to locate items and shop easily in the stores. Since Aldi's mission statement is focused on improving quality and expanding their customer base, creating a new app feature that allows more inclusivity for visually impaired shoppers will aid in their overall success. After identifying areas of improvement within their store and deciding to focus on improving shopping for customers with disabilities, Aldi's business process management increases and transforms. Being able to improve the app by adding a section for audio tours, the visually impaired customers will be able to move through their grocery shopping process more smoothly than ever before.
What any business wants is to be able to serve the maximum number of customers as possible. By incorporating our idea, the number of customers able to buy the Aldi experience will increase drastically, as a community of challenged customers will now have a way to shop that can only be found when they shop at Aldi. Society will have a better perspective about how much Aldi cares for the community, and Aldi will have an edge in the competition by incorporating a technology that their competitors do not have, therefore benefiting the company and the consumer.
In order to calculate cost projections over a 24-month period, our team took into consideration a number of different factors that are needed in order for our plan to be successful. The first component we looked at was the price of computer hardware, which came out to a total of $14,116. This price accumulates the best computers, terminals, and hardware. To make sure we can create, send out information and improvements quickly, it's important we have at least 11 computers and terminals for our employees. Since computer storage typically holds a lot, we figured 2 should be sufficient. The next component we looked at is acquiring software. The estimated cost of software would be appropriate for a software application was $3,000 per year, and assuming it took 2 years, the expense is projected to be $6,000. Since we are looking at a 24-month period, the licensing fee is $200 per store. When calculating all 2,119 Aldi stores nationwide, we get a total of $423,800. We found on average that companies spend nearly $11.64 per employee a year on data costs. Our projected state that we would spend on data storage would be $2,328 over the course of 24 months. We have projected to have 100 employees working on our new system. Since we're planning for 2 years, we multiplied it by 2 to get an estimated data cost of $2,328.
For the procedure cost, we will spend $4 million, $20,000 with the quantity of 200 per person staffing to make sure we have the best staff and they are well protected. We believe this is the best price to allocate for the safety and strategic compensation of the employees who are working on the proposal. This will lead to better functioning company as a whole and lead to more success with the proposals that play in all these stores. Next, we need to evaluate the cost of the people that will be needed for implementing, marketing, and managing our design product. The jobs that need to be filled are crucial in making sure that proposal works to do the best of its ability. We believe that having a team that has a project manager to oversee the proposal, developers, both software and hardware, to bring our proposal to life, quality assurance specialists to make sure our proposal is as efficient as it can be, and marketing specialists to market our finished proposal in the best way to do so. The project manager will be paid $179,000, and the 4 developers will be paid $180,000 each. The 2 quality assurance specialists will be paid $127,000, and 3 marketing specialists will be paid $107,000, reaching an overall total of $1,115,432.
The maintenance cost for our proposal will cover the servers, push notifications, and new feature updates. For this new feature of Aldi USA to be smooth running, maintenance costs will be an expense, on average costing about 20% of the total cost of the software development. The use of the servers costs around $30 a month, averaging out to $720 over the 24-month period. Having special features such as push notification with the software costs around $10 a month or $240 for 2 years. Along with the constant app updates such as fixing bugs, new features being made for smooth operations, etc., will cost around $10,000 a year. Overall, the financial estimates total up to $6,084,796, which includes the hardware, software, data, procedures, people, and maintenance costs. We believe that this is the appropriate amount allocated for these costs in regards to how efficient we want our proposal to be once in Aldi stores.
Updating Aldi USA app will change the world for the better. It will provide so many factors that will make Aldi's the best place to shop for people who are visually impaired. This app will help strengthen Aldi's relationship with its customers, making it the place to shop for new shoppers. It will provide more evidence as to why Aldi's has the best personal brand in the food market. The app will stay consistent with Aldi's core values, which will furthermore develop the trust between Aldi's and its customers. With our current plan, we aim to stay cost efficient while developing new technology, which will have a great balance between cost and effect. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to our presentation.